There are no aesthetic differences between the design and the production plans. It's only internal to be able to allow our team to have the proper documentation to cut, assemble, edge, and finish the parts in the shop.
It's very important to make sure that you're starting with the right dimensions. And most of the time, the first set of plans, designer plans, that end up on the drafting team's table, they haven't been double checked by anybody. So this is like the first line of defense against mistakes. You take the plans from the designer before you start working on the drafting plans. Take the design plans from the designing team and you double check with the measurements that were taken on site by whoever that person was. Because almost never you have the person taking the measurements on site being the one finishing the design plans. So it's always like standard procedure. Start with double checking the measurements on site with the measurements that are on designer plans. And then you start building your construction plans or drafting plans.
We have a specific set that we provide to the installation team from the same software, giving them all the detailed information of the cabinetry, since you have to understand none of these people have ever taken part in any of the conversations with the client. And yes, there is a briefing internally, but it's on the design department to provide all the necessary information so that the people understand what they're doing, because to them it's all random pieces that come off the CNC and then go into the spray booth and then are wrapped and shipped to a job site. So that when the installer walks on a job site first, he's never met the client, understood what the client is looking for, has the vision, so he relies fully on the plans and the information that's passed on by the design department.
When the drafter starts double checking the measurements that are on the design plans with the actual measurements that were taken on site, most of the time the person that did the design is like right there or right there or right there in the same office, right? So yeah, you are double checking measurements, but the person is there physically, and you can clarify whatever misunderstandings might have been from the measurements taken on site and the measurements present on designer plans. So having a team that takes care of everything just eliminates so many potential mistakes. Because everything's in-house, it's sole solutions.